At 8:40 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Brigsdale, or 27 miles northeast of Greeley, moving south at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar size of hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Hail may accumulate on roadways, causing hazardous travel. Locations impacted include Purcell, Gailton, Brigsdale, and Barnesville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately.
Oh, good God.
Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Not the lightning storm.
Heavy rain is occurring with this storm and may lead to flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio.